For today's video, I am going to take you to one of the famous resorts here in Kalinga, which is in ILOBA, and a side trip at NAMBARAN Cemetery. This would be my last episode of my adventure here in Kalinga, and I hope you're going to watch it until the end. Some activities that you can enjoy here in ILOBA. You can do zip line, boating, night camp, off-road touring, swimming of course, practical shooting, and horseback riding.
This is the pool area. Ada balik je. Awan tinagurana.
Cemetery here is serving two purposes: a resting place for the dead and a tourist attraction for the living. From the usual white rectangular tomb that we see in cemeteries, colorful niches shaped like a ship, chopper, dove, cake, shoes, plane, Bible, horse, a church, van, and others are on display here, and it catches the attention of people passing by Barangay Nambaran. The families thought of making these based on what their loved ones do or enjoyed when they were alive. The tombs depict the wishes, dreams, aspirations, likes, professions, and favorite things owned by the deceased during their lifetime, keeping their good and happy memories alive. Just like, for example, is this guitar. The person buried there loved playing the guitar when he was a child, wherein he used to play with a broom, acting out as if he was playing a guitar. One of the tombs has a plain design belonging to a 92-year-old woman who died in 2015. According to residents in the area, prior to the death of the woman, she had wished to ride a plane that would bring her to their home village in the upland barangay of Tulgao in Tinglayan. There's also a niche which looks like a church with the deceased being a catechist during his lifetime, and another has the Volkswagen design for one who loved cars.